put the thing in front of him
Put
so
something
he
in
can...
front of him. Push it. Yeah, make him see the light.
Ooh, go get it. Go get it. Come on. Woo!
You're a drooling fool, but...
Yeah.
Don't let him have it. One more step.
Lulu, come here, baby.
Get it.
He's like, you're being mean, Andrew, too.
Come on.
Now watch the baby play.
Okay, now you can have it.
Oh, now he's going himself.
Look at
Oh!
Did he do that with his hands?
I don't know.
Get it, Caleb.
There he goes. There he goes.
He forgets.
Uh-huh. Say, well, I'm not very old. But he's getting frustrated. I think he's getting a cussing.
I love when he does that.
Okay.
He's getting
We'll get the video camera out if we're going to take more video.
Yay!